The art of showing off. A deep dive into the phrasal verb, show off. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we are going to explore a very popular and frequently used phrasal verb, show off. This is a part of our ongoing series on common phrasal verbs with off. We will look at its meanings, its usage in various contexts, and finally, we'll put our knowledge into practice with some real-world examples. Let's dive right in. So, the first question that arises is, what does show off actually mean? Generally, to show off means to boast or brag about one's abilities, possessions, or achievements. It's often used when someone is trying to make other people admire or envy them. For example, if someone buys a new expensive car and keeps talking about it or driving it around just to draw attention, we can say, he is showing off his new car. The phrasal verb, show off, can be used in many different forms. Remember, show off is separable, meaning that the object can come between show and off. You can say, he showed his new car off. However, if the object is a pronoun, it must come between show and off. You cannot say, he showed off it. Instead, you should say, he showed it off. Just like other verbs, show off can be used in various tenses. For instance, past tense, she showed off her new dress at the party last night. Present tense, they are always showing off their knowledge in class. Future tense, I will show off my cooking skills at the barbecue this weekend. Now, let's put our learning into practice with some examples. Try to create your own sentences using show off. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. 1. Tom always shows off his skills on the guitar at parties. 2. She was clearly showing off her new designer handbag. 3. Don't show off your wealth, it might make others uncomfortable. And that's a wrap on our discussion about the phrasal verb, show off. We hope this video helped clarify its meaning and usage in different contexts. Remember, English is a language full of these interesting phrasal verbs, and mastering them will certainly help you express yourself more naturally and understand native speakers better. Keep practicing and keep showing off your English skills to the world. Until next time, happy learning!